For this Google Classroom, we're going to be talking about equal parts when we're dividing shapes. We're going to be dividing all of the turquoise shapes into 2 equal parts. I've given you a turquoise shape, and then I've given you this tiny black O up here. That's going to be your line. And what I mean by that is you're going to click on the O, and then there's going to be that little tiny blue dot right there. Do you see that? You're going to put your mouse right over top of it until your mouse turns into a T. Then you're going to click and hold your mouse, and you're going to drag it wherever you want to put this circle into 2 equal parts. Now to make this circle into 2 equal parts, I'm going to go straight down. Now if you see that this side is a little bit smaller than that side and you want to move your line, you can do that by putting your mouse over the line. See how it changed to 4 arrows? Watch again. There's my mouse. And if I put it over top of it, it changes to 4 arrows. I can click and hold my mouse and move it to where I want to. So I think that looks a little bit more even. Okay, so you're going to do that for all of the ones that say 2 equal parts. Now you have to keep the little O in the spot that I've given you. You have to decide how to divide the shape using the O where I put it. Now when you come down to the green ones, this is going to be dividing the shape into 4 equal parts, and you'll see that there are 2 O's now. So you have to make 2 lines and sometimes even 3 lines, so keep your eyeballs out. Now to do this, it's the same thing. I'm going to click on my O, and you see how those blue dots appear. I'm going to move my mouse right over top the blue dot until it turns into a T. I'm going to click and hold my mouse and drag it down to where I want it to be. I'm making a line right now, just like that. And again, if I don't like exactly where it is, I can click and move it around. Now this says 4 equal parts. Right now I have it in 2 equal parts, so I'm going to come over to my other O. I'm going to click on it. Oh, there we go. Sometimes it takes a couple times. Then I'm going to make my mouse into a T, click and hold the mouse, and drag it across the shape just like that. And then I see I made my shape into 4 equal parts. There are a couple of those to practice. And then the last slide, the purple slide, this one is your challenge slide. You're going to divide this shape into 6 equal parts. When you're all done, turn it in.